Last time we've already shown you Windows 8 Fast Boot. Today we have three motherboards here. First one is ASRock's Z77 Extreme 4, and the second one is Gigabyte's GA-Z77X-DH3. And the third one here is ASUS P8Z77-VLX. Now, ASRock and ASUS has Fast Boot turned on, and for Gigabyte we can't find Fast Boot, so we just turned off CSM, and the other two have CSM turned off too. Now let's see how fast they boot into Windows 8. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. ASRock is the first to boot into Windows 8, and then ASUS and Gigabyte is so slow. Now you may think that we aren't so fair because we're using three different monitors, but we also have Microsoft's Window Assessment Console that can accurately show us how fast it takes to boot into Windows 8. Now let's take a look at the stats on Windows Assessment Console. Today we use three motherboards and two 2GB DRAMs with SSDs. Now the total seconds it took for it to load into Windows 8, including the BIOS run, for ASRock was 4.8025 seconds. And for Gigabyte, it took about 10.82 seconds. And ASUS took about 5.009 seconds. So the fastest one was ASRock. If you want to boot as fast as I do, you have to get a motherboard by ASRock, and then go into the UEFI setup utility, the boot menu, and then there's Fast Boot, and set it to ultra fast. Save changes, and then you can boot super fast. Now you can enjoy fast booting with ASRock's motherboard.